everyone, this is Akshita from the batch of 15-17 of Suryadatta's PIAT. Currently, I am carrying on my business under the firm name Design Era. The platform and the education which I received through PIAT has made me reach this journey in a very short period of time. And I am thankful for PIAT for giving this beautiful 2-year journey to me. So speaking about Suryadatta's PIAT, be it at the education level or at the extracurricular activities, it's always joyful over here for all the students to study and enjoy the extracurricular activities as well. The guest lectures or the industrial visits or residential site visits, exhibition which is held in December, and the other activities held at Bavdan's main campus help us to grow on a professional level as well. And the education which we receive over here is of utmost quality education. We understand each thing very nicely, which make us prepare for other future things as well too. So speaking about the faculty members and other staff members, I must say they are like more than family to us. They make the lectures more happening. We enjoy every lecture, which creates positiveness and makes us understand the outside world and even the interior related things more nicely. The relationship they have with students is always the friendly relationship. They always get the connect which we need, and that is of utmost important thing studying over here for 2 years, which I have liked a lot. Suryadatta has been grown and has been growing strong because they always work as a core team and they let their students shine a best thing out of them. So thank you PIAT for giving me this beautiful 2-year journey. Thank you so much.